Assalamu alaikum. Hello boys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to discuss parts of flowers, parts of a plant and parts of a flower.
No.
Hello. Alaikum salam.
Sir,
Hello, yes.
today we have a quiz.
Yes. Today we will have quiz.
Because now I'm in Jeddah.
Hi, teacher.
Okay. Hello.
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Teacher,
Fine,
Yes.
thank you.
اليوم ما في play.
Yes. Today we have quiz. That is not play, that is quiz.
Okay, teacher.
Quizzes.com. Okay, open your books, page number 74.
To the bathroom really quick.
Okay. Open book, page number 74, looking at flowers in details. So detail means tafsil, comprehensively. Learn that plants produce flowers which have male and female parts, and that seeds are formed when pollen from the male parts fertilizes the ovum which is female. The big idea is flowers have male and female parts. The plants need these different parts to produce seed. So first of all, here you can see parts of a plant. What are parts of a plant? What are these here? What is this part?
Flower.
Yes.
Flower.
Very good. Write it. Right here, flower. Here we will write flower.
Okay.
Okay. Who is Hussam? Why he is coming in this class? Then we have number 2, which is leaf. Number 2, which is stem.
Stem.
Hussam, هذا فصل خامس يا حبيبي.
Sir, who is Hussam al-Zahrani?
Hussam al-Zahrani, he will leave.
He
came
left
by
it.
mistake. Yeah, I know.
Stamen.
Number 4, roots.
Roots.
Yes,
It's very easy.
it is very easy because we did it now.
Yes, I did it in grade 3.
Yes, the same. So now label the parts. We did it. Okay, that's done. Why is each part of a plant is important? Every part is important because they have different tasks and they support each other. Let's look at the flower in detail, more detail. In a flower, there are male and female parts. Abdul Rahman Amr.
Yes.
Yes, read this one, please.
Okay. The stamen. The stamen is the main part of the flower, and it is made up of the filament and the anther. The filament holds the anther in place, and the anther is where the pollen is produced.
Very nice. Thank you so much. Khalid, read this one. Carpel.
Okay, the carpel. The carpel is the female part of the flower and is made of the stigma, the style, and the
Ovary.
ovary. The stigma is very sticky. This helps it to catch pollen. The style holds the stigma in place on the ovary is where the seeds are made.
Very good. Seeds are made. Okay, so here you can see this in ovary seeds are made. So you should memorize this because in quiz.com we will have these questions. Okay, difficult questions, not easy one. Okay.
Sir, which questions?
Wow, that's great, huh?
Which questions, sir?
If I tell you questions, you will understand everything. Ish faida. What is the benefit?
No, you said that revise this correctly. Whatever
Revise everything correctly with me. Okay.
Okay.
Even this as well. Look at the detailed picture of flower. Use the information to complete the labels for the flower using the words in the word bank below. One has been done for you. First letter has been given. So when they give you first letter, it's mean they made it easy for you, right? Okay. So here we have number one, which is stamen. Number two, here these are stamen parts. Okay, number two is starting with A, so it's mean it is anther.
Anther, yes.
Yes,
Anther.
Anther. You will write and complete this. Okay, next.
Filament.
Filament.
That is filament. Yes.
Filament. Filament.
Filament. Filament. Okay, number four.
Stem.
Number four is stem.
Stem, yes, stem.
Yes, it's stem. Then we have number five, which is stigma.
Stigma, yes, stigma.
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 Number six is style.
Style.
Number six is style.
Style.
Number seven is
Ovary.
ovary.
Ovary. Number eight, carpel.
Wait. Number eight, wait.
Carpel.
Carpel.
Carpel. Carpel. So these are the parts of a flower, detailed parts. Write the names of male and female parts, carpel parts in the table below. One has been done for you. Draw the stamen and carpel in the space as well. So you have to draw a stamen and carpel. And write here male parts. What are male parts? Anther and filament.
Male carpel.
Anther
Under and filament.
and
Sir,
filament.
how we know this?
Here it is written. Stamen is the
Anther and
basic
filament.
part, and inside you have anther and filament. These are called.
And filament.
Now I told you, so you should know. Don't forget. Anther and filament. Female parts we have stigma.
Stigma and carpel.
Drawing of
Stigma, style, and ovary.
ovary. Yes, very good.
These are three female parts. Then you have to make drawing here. Okay. Complete the paragraph. This is your homework as well. You will draw here anther and stamen and carpel. Okay.
What is the carpel?
What is the carpel? Where is the carpel?
What's the meaning of carpel? What's the meaning of carpel?
These are all parts of a carpel. These three. This inside, this is carpel. From here to here. This one.
Draw the carpel. I draw the
Yes.
carpel.
Yes.
Say
Yes.
the right hand for the or the left hand for the flower is female part.
The left hand is the male part and the right hand is female part. Ovary.
Ovary is
style,
male,
stigma, these are parts of
female.
female part, which is carpel, okay? And
Okay.
anther, which is stamen, which is male part, it has two parts, anther and filament. And here you
Oh,
can
now
see,
I know.
here you can see this one from here, this one is carpel, stamen, okay?
Stamen.
Yes,
So
this
it's
these two
male
parts.
part.
Yes, these parts you can make here. And this is female, this is female part from here to here. This is called carpel, okay? So stamen, how will you make stamen? You will make like this, look.
Stamen. I know. Only
It is
the,
like this, right?
yes, I can draw it. I can draw it now, but I wanna leave it homework.
Okay. Then here you have to make what?
Carbon.
Carpel.
Okay, then.
Sir,
Yes.
I wanna show you something, but
Carbon?
you can. Sir, can you give me the drawing
Drawing for what?
of the screen? Because I wanna show you something.
You can open your video and show me.
Okay.
Carpel.
A minute. You said that the stigma is from female, right?
Stigma, style, and ovary, three parts. Yes.
Okay. In the middle part,
Hmm.
it's
Style.
from female part because
Style,
stigma
yes.
also because the stigma is pointing on it.
Yes.
Means-
This one, this.
Yes.
So
Only
from
this?
here, from
Only
here
this?
to here, this is all female part. This is all carpel is this, na? You can see this is carpel, right?
Yes.
Carpel has how many parts? Look, one,
3 parts.
yes, two, three.
Ovary
So you
and
have to make
style
all.
and stigma.
So when you show carpel, you have to make all the full part.
Stem.
If I say,
Mm.
if I say to you, make your make body parts of yours, you will make all body parts. Then you make Omar Ala. So you will make all
Yes.
parts, or you will make only hand or leg only.
Hand or leg.
You will make all body, or you will make only one part.
All body.
All body, yes. So that's why the carpel is whole body from here to here. All parts, stigma, style, ovary. If he says show stigma, you will make only this. If says style, you will make only this. If says ovary, you will make only this. But here it needs all, so we will make all of it. Got me?
Oh, okay. Okay. Yes.
Yes. That's good. Okay, I made it, by the way. Okay, next we
Very
have
nice.
complete the photograph using the words in the word bank. One has been done for
I can stem another element.
yes, there are female, stamen, and style. Flowers have
Teacher.
male and which parts? Male and
Teacher.
Male and female.
female.
Teacher.
Yes, Habibi. Yes,
We have quizzes or quiz.
All
that
quiz.
that
The main
quizzes,
part is
not
called
quiz.
the
Today we
This
will have
is
quizzes.
female.
Stigma.
Called,
The
this
male.
is stigma. Stigma. Stigma.
Let me finish. When I will finish, you can ask quizzes or quiz or question or whatever. Let me finish first. This male part is called, which is female, is called what? Huh?
Stigma. 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 Hi, sir, can
Male
you hear
part.
me?
We are talking about male part. Umar Ala.
Oh, male part, carpel.
Carpel you don't have here in this.
Style.
It's been done.
Style.
Stamen.
Style, yes.
Style?
I say
Style.
Stamen. Stamen is the right one because style is a female part here. You can see.
I said
So,
stamen.
stamen is right. Yes.
Stamen first.
Stamen is the right answer. Okay. Whoever said this. Okay. Which has the another anther and filament. Okay. Anther and filament has by stem. Yes, that's good. Stamen. Stamen has anther and filament. The female part is called carpel, which has stigma, style,
and ovary.
ovary.
Style and ovary.
Was easy, man. Okay.
Yes. Easy.
Let me take screenshot for you.
I'm ready for the quiz.
Quiz in the other session, not this session. Okay, so here
Anyway.
you have
Teacher,
yes.
I am finished.
Okay, very good.
Me too, I have finished.
Me too.
I have finished.
That's great.
Finish.
I finished the one SD.
Okay, that's good. Okay, moving towards next page. Okay. Open page number 76.
Open.
Here,
I have open.
yeah, read this Umarallah from here. Looking at flowers in details.
Okay. Looking. Where is it? Oh, looking at flowers in detail. Learn that plants produce flowers that have male and female parts, and that seeds are formed when pollen from the male parts fertilizes the volume female. The big idea. Pollen is used to make seeds. What is pollination? Pollination is when the pollen from the male
Anther. Male anther
main anther
is moved on
is moved on to the sticky stigma of the female carpel. When know that there are different ways that pollen is moved.
pollen is moved by how many ways? Animals, animals, insects, humans, birds, water, air. Yes, wind. Yeah, I mean.
Yes.
So this pollen goes into sticky stigma. That's how the pollination happens.
Stinky.
Name one way pollen is moved from one plant to another. By birds, you can write.
By birds, by water.
By birds, by human, by many.
Water. Wind.
So there are a lot, no? So you can write. It says only one, so you will write one.
I write 3. Pollination. Explosion. Pollination. Explosion.
Okay.
J. Explosion. I can read it.
Wait, Khalid. Who didn't read? Nadeem, open your mic and read.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, read from here.
Okay. Pollination can also happen through self-pollination. Look closely at the picture below. You can see that the pollen from the male another is being
Enter,
dropped
not another.
on the sticky female. What, teacher?
Enter, not another.
Yeah, teacher. Enter is being dropped on the sticky female stigma.
Yes, thank you so much. Okay. Who was Mohammed Noor? Open your mic. Read this.
Okay, teacher. Pollen, stigma, style, pollen tube, ovary,
What?
ovum.
What are
Yeah,
you reading?
I'm a, oh, sorry, teacher.
I told you
The
this,
flower,
man. From here.
no,
Are you sleeping?
no. The flower may be pollinated in lots of different ways, but the next step is always the same. Let's look at what happens
Once
once
the pollen is.
the pollen is moved from the male anther to the female stigma.
Thank you
Look
so much.
closely at
Okay, Omar Muhammad.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Mister, read this one.
Okay.
Okay, and you are gone.
Pollen
Yes.
is very clever because
Clever. Very sharp.
because it attaches to the sticky stigma. The pollen that sends a pollen tube down the female style. The pollen tube allows the pollen to move the pollen
Hello.
move down the style. The pollen tube connects with the ovary and the pollen enters the ovary. When the pollen meet the ovum, they join together and we say that fertilization has happened and the seed is made.
Very nice. Thank you so much. Okay. So here we can think of pollen as going on a journey, complete the stages of the pollen's journeys using the word in word bank. One has been done for you as always. Okay. So pollen starts its journey in the anther, right? Pollen starts its journey in the anther. So right, first one, anther. It is moved to the sticky. It is moved to the sticky. Here you can see stigma.
Sigma.
Yes. That's why we were reading that you can answer. Sticky stigma by different methods. This is called pollination. This is called
Pollination.
pollination. Yes. The pollen sends a pollen tube, which is done. Pollen tube down the style. And the pollen tube allows pollen to move down it. Once pollen reaches the end of the pollen tube, it enters the ovary. It enters the ovary. When the ovum and the pollen join together, this is called fertilization. Fertilization. Then fertilization happens and a seed is made. It is also written here. Everything is written. What we read, that is needed here.
Finished.
Okay, Abdullah Faisal, open your mic and read.
Yes.
Yes, read this one.
Okay. Ovulation can also happen.
Pollination, not population.
Pollination. Okay.
Yes.
Pollination can also happen the row. Self-pollination. Look closely at the by tray below.
Picture below.
Picture below. You can see that the pollen from the male another is
Anther. Maybe I said 3 times that this is not another, this is anther.
okay,
Yes.
is being dropped onto the stachy family stigma.
Sticky female stigma.
Stigma.
You are staying in your own word. Yes, Yazan, read this one.
Which one, teacher?
This
Can you
one.
put your mouth?
Yes.
Okay, the flower may be pollinated in lots of different ways, but the next step is always the same. Let's look at what happens once the pollen is moved from the male anther to the female stigma. That's all, teacher.
Thank you so much, Yazan. Yes, that's all. Omar Yasir, did you read before?
Yes, teacher.
Did you read before?
No, I didn't read.
Okay, read from here. Pollen is very clever.
Where, teacher?
From here. Can you see?
No, where?
From
Yes,
here.
yes, I see.
Yes.
Yes, I see. Pollen is very clever because in attached to the sticky stigma, the pollen then sends a pollen tube down the female style. The pollen tube allows the pollen to move down the style. The pollen tube connects with the ovary and the pollen enters the ovary. When the pollen meets the ovum, they join together and we say the fertilization has happened and a seed is made.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yazan is done. Abdul Rahman Amr is done. Abdullah. Yes, Abdullah Liham.
Finished.
Yes, sir.
Yes, read from here.
Okay. Pollination can also happen through self-pollination. Look closely at the picture below.
You are reading from Abdullah Leham. You are reading from Jeddah.
What?
I can't hear you. You are like very far from your
Okay.
mic.
Now,
Yes, okay.
okay. Pollination can also happen through self-pollination. Look closely at the picture below. You can see that the pollen from the male and another is
Male anther, not
anther
another. It's anther.
and anther
Hmm.
is being dropped onto the sticky female stigma.
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 Thank you. Muhammad al-Somali, are you there? Osama, موجود?
No, teacher, it's not there.
Okay. Yes, Abdurrahman Amri, you have anything to ask?
No.
Okay, you raised your hand, so I'm asking. أي أحد باقي وما يقرأ؟
No.
Don't raise your hand, Abdurrahman Amri, please.
Teacher, I don't read.
Yes, okay, read from here. This one, pollen is,
Teacher, I have a question, please.
yes,
1
Umar.
minute. Pollen
Teacher-
is okay.
Let him finish, huh, Umar? Yes,
Okay.
Abdullah.
Pollen is very clever because it's a chance to the sticky
Stigma.
stigma. The
Hmm.
pollen then sets a pollen top down the formal
Female
style.
style.
Female style. The pollen tap always the blown to move down to style.
Hmm.
The pollen type connects with the ovary and
Ovary.
the ovary, and the blown enters the ovary. When the
Pollen.
pollen meets the ovum, they join together, and we say that fertilization has happened and seed
Fertilization has happened. Yes.
fertilization has happened and a seed is made.
Okay. Then who else? I think everyone read it. Khalid, Dr. Abdullah.
Yes,
Oh,
everyone has read it.
Yes, everyone has read it.
okay, that's great.
Teacher,
Yes.
what is the homework, teacher? What
Yes,
is the homework?
Khalid. Yes, I will send you
The
worksheet.
homework.
I will send you worksheet, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You are
Okay,
welcome.
sir.
This was your question, Umar?
Yes, this was my question. Do you
Okay.
think
Teacher.
valid? Teacher, you will send now
quiz.
the quizzes.
We will play the
I will send quiz in this class after this class, okay? When next class starts. طيب?
Okay. Okay. Sir,
Okay. Yes.
this quiz no points on it.
Sorry? No. This is not about points. This is about revision.
Revision.
Practice. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
Okay. See you. Goodbye.
No,
Bye,
no,
sir.
Abdullah.
Bye, sir. Siko.
Goodbye.